we discuss here spin paired complex few examples, and it is very typical example because one is diamagnetic and another complex is paramagnetic of the same ligands are there, same central metal atom is there. See here, K4 efficiency is potassium hexacyanoferrate, ferrate 2. Why it is so? Because here K4 is there, means it will ionize as this efficiencies carry 4 negative charge, that is balanced by the 4 positive charge on K. K is 1 positive multiplied by 4, so 4 positive, that is why K4 I have written here. So when 4 negative will come, when iron is having 2 positive charge, then only it will become 4 negative, because 6 negative are here. 1 Cn carry 1 negative charge, there are 6 Cn, so 6 negative charge, so 4 negative will be the complex ion. Since it is negatively charged, that is why we are saying ferrate. In both the cases we are saying ferrate, okay, because the complex ion is negatively charged. So it is since Cn is a strong ligand, so it will force these electrons to pair up. Since there are 6 electrons, so all paired up, so mu is equal to 0 over here, and these orbitals are available. D2sp3 hybridization occur, D2sp3, and octahedral geometry will be there, and the complex formed will be called spin paired complex or inner orbital complex. Clear to you? Now IUPAC naming I told you. Now we will discuss about K3 efficiencies. Potassium hexacyanoferrate 3. Here I am saying ferrate 3. Why I am saying so? Because here K3 is there, so complex ion will having 3 negative charge. Complex whole ion, -6 plus 3 will equal to -3. Okay, now here iron in 3 oxidation state, it will be 3d5 configuration. So although Cn is a strong ligand, it will force to pair them up, but 5 electrons are there, so 1 electron is remaining unpaired, so it will be paramagnetic, and it is having this we will use the formula for getting magnetic moment. Mu is equal to n within bracket n plus 2 Bohr magneton, one value √3, answer will be 1.73 Bohr magneton. Please subscribe my channel Veena Dikshit, and if you like my video, please press like button also. Clear to you? Everything is clear. Now this is potassium hexacyanoferrate 3, this is potassium hexacyanoferrate 2. Clear? God bless you, all the best. Please subscribe my channel. Now I will discuss about zinc. Zinc NH3 3d10, 4s2, already d10 electrons are filled, 4s2 in case of Zn2 positive, 2 electron will be lost, so automatically sp3 hybridization will be there. There will be no forcing, nothing, because they are already paired up, diamagnetic in nature. Okay, so it is although we call it outer orbital complex. NH3 is weak ligand, but